Hello everyone, welcome to the Dinstar product experience session. Today we are unboxing the C66 series IP phone, our flagship high-end model for enterprises. It is equipped with a large 4.3-inch color screen, supports 20 SIP lines and 50 programmable line keys, making it the premium dedicated device for group executives, corporate main reception desks and large call centers. This is the C66 GP operations, and accessories are fully interchangeable with the C66G. In the same series, all necessary accessories are included in the package for one-stop deployment with no extra purchases required. It includes the flagship C66 GP main unit, HD Ultra Noise Cancelling handset, premium RJ9 handset cable, gigabit Ethernet cable and multi-angle vertical base stand. The C66 GP with suffix P supports PoE power supply over Ethernet. No power adapter is included in the package and can be purchased separately. The C66G does not support PoE and comes with a power adapter as standard. The phone features an elegant, premium business design with a large 4.3-inch 480272 backlit, ultra-clear display that delivers a wider viewing area. Multi-line status, call recordings, contacts and BELF information are all shown clearly on full screen. It comes with 50-page switchable programmable line keys, the maximum quantity among all C-series models. Supports one-touch quick dial for hundreds of group extensions and one-click queue switching to maximize reception efficiency for switchboard operators. Dual gigabit ports support network packet capture and screen capture. The USB port allows expansion with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi adapters. A built-in RJ12 console port enables cascading with the DXP60 expansion console to add more line keys. All models adopt premium HD wideband voice codecs with echo cancellation and dynamic jitter buffer technology, delivering smooth, crisp calls between cross-border branch offices without stuttering. Third-party A's wireless headsets are compatible. Before assembly, inspect the ultra-large display, RJ9 headset port, USB expansion port and RJ12 console port to ensure no damage. Complete setup in just 3 quick steps. Assembly is simple and user-friendly for everyone. Step 1. Connect both ends of the RJ9 handset cable to the handset and the rear RJ9 headset port of the phone, plug tightly to avoid loose connections. Step 2. Align the base with the rear slot and push it to lock securely. 2 adjustable angles are available. Step 3. Power on and connect to the network. The PoE model only requires a gigabit Ethernet cable to supply power and network simultaneously. The standard version boots up after connecting the power adapter and automatically recognizes the LAN. It supports unified NMS network management and remote batch configuration distribution in response to paper reduction and environmental protection policies. This series does not include printed installation manuals. You may visit Dinstar official website or contact authorized partners to download electronic manuals for installation. Mass deployment and expansion console cascading free of charge, enabling time-saving centralized management for multi-site large groups. The top-tier C66 series supports up to 20 SIP accounts, 6-party HD conferences, local call recording, multi-language interfaces, custom ringtones and programmable soft keys. It supports direct IP dialing, unregistered calling, random port registration and wall mount installation. Encrypted call transmission safeguards enterprise communication security. This phone is perfectly suited for executive offices in group headquarters, main reception desks of large enterprises, team leaders in large call centers and front desks of government and public institutions. For issues regarding expansion console cascading and batch network management configuration, please refer to electronic manuals or consult Dinstar official technical support. Thank you for watching and see you next time.